Currently in our area, 67 degrees with rainy conditions. A flood watch is in effect for our area. Our local Doppler radar. Today, rain, heavy at times, high 73. Winds south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Locally heavier rainfall possible. For tonight, rain with a few rumbles of thunder. Low 66. Winds southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. Rainfall may reach 1 inch. On Sunday, cloudy with occasional showers. High 67. Chance of rain 70%. Our week ahead.
All new episodes of When Weather Changed History, premiering in October on the Weather Channel.
Hurricane Ike roars ashore near Galveston, Texas, bringing with it huge storm surge, ferocious wind, and dangerous flooding. It all adds up to a worst-case scenario for the Texas coast.
And we continue to, we're looking at video out of Surfside. This is in southeast Texas here. Took the brunt of the storm yesterday. This is where meteorologist Mike Seidel is stationed. He will be giving us live reports and pictures from the area.
Good morning, everyone. I'm the Weather Channel's Jordan Duran, live from Beaumont, Texas. And coming up, we're talking about wind gusts. We're going to talk about damage and storm surge down at Port Arthur. You don't want to miss this information. Stay with us.
Good morning, everyone. You are watching the Weather Channel, of course, and we're now looking at Weekend Now in Storm Alert this time. And we do have special coverage here this weekend. After days of watching and waiting, Ike finally slammed ashore on the Texas coast as a Category 2 hurricane. We have in-depth team coverage, starting with meteorologist Kevin Robinson with the very latest details.
Well, good morning, Kim. We are watching Hurricane Ike now as it continues to slide its way inland across southeast Texas. And boy, did you take it on the chin in the Houston area last night and early this morning. Thankfully, though, the system is continuing to slowly pull away, but it's going to take a while for that system to completely unwind here, folks. So we're still dealing with some very gusty winds now, and the core of damaging winds, or the core of very strong winds around what's left of the center of the circulation, now heading up very closely to Interstate 45, pushing up towards the Conroe area. Again, you can see some of these winds still gusting, and even more importantly, I want you to note in the Beaumont-Port Arthur area, there are winds with the center still well inland out of the southeast and still gusting well into that 50-mile-an-hour range. So we have inland hurricane warnings, wind warnings, and tropical storm wind warnings